How there with Grung Lawd?
Brawlingly done, man, you know it. You know, say Grung Lawd is an artist from St. Thomas. You see me, if you be specific, Georgia in St. Thomas, you know. We right now resigning in Portland, you know it go. You see me, so we just put in the work. You don't know 90% of the people on the east side actually know our thing go already, you know.
So, what you know, you're in from the east, so tell the people little about growing up in the east.
Well, growing up in the east as an artist, as a younger artist still, it's kind of rough. You don't know where I come forward from a poor background, you see me. So we have to fight for our own, you see me. We learn how to hustle, you see me, how to make it work, how to make things work. No matter how small you have to make it work. I saw the east here, you see me, because you know, like the city side or the west side, you see me, the east kind of different. You see me, kind of opportunity not on the east side, you see me. You see me, so just one night time where you have to make anything where you have work, East. Yeah. Anything where you have it does have to work.
So, as an artist in the east, it's rough over there. So, where the inspiration come? Because I know some music are working at this day and age. For, you know what I mean, elevate the youth them from the poorness and the poverty. Zin, so I really inspire the eye for trad music.
Alright, you know, honestly, I'm born to do this. Bro, I'm not go around here, I'm born to do this thing. You see me, because I can tell you this straight. Right now, I do music for 20 odd years. You see me, like me, I write my own songs them for 20 odd years. Right. From me about 4 or 5, I can remember when I write the first song.
You hear that
understand
people,
what I say?
Tremendous artists from the age of 4. Continue.
You see me, I write my own music them. It does forward natural, as me say. Natural. Alright, we have crazy. When I say crazy, I mean crazy amount of projects. We are come out soon because we actually are prepare things for 2024 to be exact. You see me, because we like to keep things on point. I don't like miss and I don't just drop a song because a song for drop. You see me, we don't do things that way there. You understand what I say? So, we're not going to say whole heap of work from Grung. I'm going to say real work. Alright, me and one artist where me not focus on where me see a go on in the music industry with the artists them, more focus on what go on in the road with the people them, that's me can produce good music for the people them. And that's my thing there. Right. So me just focus on my craft and me just work on myself. You understand what I say?
Sing about some happy music and some girl.
Yeah, me, anything where happen in the road, I hit me sing about. Me sing about when my fans want to hear.
Alright, you have a tune named Lavish.
You see me? Yeah, man.
The man look lavish right
Exactly. Alright, watch you now. The rifle for your 30 yard points, yo. How the play go? Girl a while out. I just money, gun, bitches and vibe, yo. So if you not talk money, me not like yo. Watch you now. Now a dark mode. This yo, dead, stacky, cheddar, we no beg. She fall in love now. Fuck up her head,
no man. People. You can't go check the YouTube by Grung Lawd. You see me I say we have a break. Right there, so. Lavish, super something. From the east, over St. Thomas one part. You know what I mean? In proper name, my name not gonna call it. Because Loxroy, rich people something.
Yeah, man, rich people something.
Hold on, man. So mommy and daddy married her. How that go?
No, man, mommy and daddy not married, you know.
Alright.
You see me, a grandfather and grandmother I kind of grow with still, if you tell you the truth, you know. We don't know nothing about no mother's love like how some boy attack.
So I swear the humble.
You see me? Yeah, you understand what I say? I don't know about no mother's love and no father love.
Yeah.
You see me? And my granny grew me, grandparents grew me. And them passed away at when I small, when I 9. The last one passed away and that left me for the own in the road. You see me? So when I say I learn the hard way, I learn it the hard way. I learn for yourself for my own. And that I do, you see me? Right there, so our grandparents and them passed away at a tender age, at me say. You see me when I 9.
So you hear that? A granny grow the Grung Lawd, so granny I go help the warrior to go get the Grammy. You hear me talk? A Reggae Vibes me down with there and chat with the Grung Lawd. So watch I know what the angle, all the people can get to you. You see me I say, if you have nobody for big up, no studio where I work with.
Alright, so right now, I work with 2 record labels. You see me? 2 record labels. I work with High Energy Records and I work with Portland Rising Entertainment. Short and Farmer Pre. You understand me? I say, the studio I'm record, man, a Top God. You see me, that's a RS studio located in Portland. You know, Top God, big up yourself, you know the thing go. Brawlingly done. Lavish, big up yourself. Remo, my manager, big up yourself. I mean, I say, yo, I just one night time them, you know. We there live a modest life out here. You see me, I put in beer work, the people them just look out for good music. I mean, I say, Georgie, Seafort, Trinityville, the whole of St. Thomas, Anchovy, Snow Hill, Port Antonio, you know the thing of Falkland. I just one brawling this, you know. Yeah, father.
One brawling. And it's your boy Grizzly here. We're there with the Grung Lawd. A beer vibes, beer fun, beer things. So look forward for more from the Grung Lawd.
Look out for the Grung, you see me? We touch the road, I'm on the time. Not a kind with the chop on the line. Father, me beg you search me heart. One more when me love gone. One more when me just gone. One more where my feelings last. Voice me the TV. You don't know what Grung Lawd representing. Brawlingly done, my father.
Our world, I don't know, it's Reggae Vibes Media and our world. RVM, the world media, our out.
Be sure to voice your opinion in the comments section. We really want to hear from you. Also, please like, share the video, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and remember to like the video and subscribe. Check out these other videos you will love.